What's up guys, welcome back. It's Kyle bringing you guys another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can use any video and make it into a green screen video or image. So stick around so you guys don't miss out on anything in this video, and if you guys could drop a like, that'd be much appreciated. Let's go for 6 likes on this video, that'd be awesome. So the app that we are using today is called CAPCUT. If you guys have not heard of it and want to download it, the link will be down in the description below for you guys to check it out. And when you get on this page, once you guys download the app, you want to go to new project, go to photos. I'm going to use this space background that I downloaded. I'm going to pull it to about right there. So once you get the image that you want to use for your background, you want to go down to overlay, add overlay, go over to your video that you want to use. I'm going to use
I would just like to hang out with you.
And you want to resize the video to where the arms meet the bottom, and you want to zoom in and out to where they fit the frame. Okay, that looks good right there. So what you want to do is scroll over to the right a little bit and go to remove background. It will remove the background of that video, and that's pretty awesome about this app. And let's see what it looks like.
I would just like to hang out with you once. I'm kind of going to put Chris on blast. I've been trying to watch anime with this man. I wanted to play Yu-Gi-Oh with him. Every time I want to hang out with Chris, he's always busy. Blame him in the comments. I have a child. I want bro time.
That is pretty cool. You can have a Mr. Beast background or anything that you want in a video. You can edit a video with Mr. Beast in it if you feel like. You can do anything like that with this app. It's pretty cool, pretty easy to use. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys hit that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button. Be much appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.